Welcome to our inaugural series of Dr. Talks Percussion. We're here in Oahu, Hawaii. My name is Michael Carey with Fitness Evolution 808. We're going to talk about the use of a percussion massager for chronic issues that you may deal with, or somebody that you know, a loved one, may deal with as well. We're going to be talking about the different accessory heads, as well as how to use them on your body. You may have a different percussion device, but just try to use what you have available and get the same kind of effects that we're hoping to give you today. And Doc?
Aloha, my name is Dr. Kai Morguar with Prime PT Wellness Clinic here in Kaneohe, Hawaii. We're going to be working on shoulder flexibility. So because we have the bones, we don't want to be aggravating anything, so we're going to be using our air plug head here. So quite common for the pecs and the bicep to be tight and restricting our movement. So that's where we're going to start off and test the waters with our slowest speed, purposely looking for these tight restricted areas. As the muscles loosen up, they unpinch, and that's where we get our increased circulation and alleviation. So we're going to slowly increase the pressure as we go. So from here, a great little trick, we can have treatment with our tight movement, and we can have it loosen up as we go. So purposely gonna target those stiff spots, and that's where feel a little smoother. Good. So for our front of the shoulder, we're working the deltoid, the bicep, as well as the pectorals. So as we loosened up, we're having the arm raise, that stretches out the muscle, and that's where we can target some of these deeper fibers that got the alleviation.